Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. This is a video that's gonna change your life. And I'm not gonna lie, after I said that I was about to say just kidding, but I'm not kidding. This is going to change your life for the better, and I'm so glad you clicked on this video because this is something that I'm so passionate about and I've been sharing with my friends about it, and I'm like, you know what? 2020 is the year of new beginnings and the year of it all getting great. So welcome if you are new here. My name is Taylor. I am 22 years old. Or welcome back if you guys have seen my channel or videos before. Hello, welcome back. Thanks for coming. Today I am going to be sharing with you guys my vision board and what that all really means and how I made my vision board. I'll also include where I got the supplies and how I really just made the entire thing, how I found the pictures that I wanted to use, where I got inspiration, and of course how to manifest your dream life, which I think that's what a lot of people are probably here for, and a lot of people just like the aesthetic of a vision board, which I got you. Like, I watched so many vision board videos before I made mine. I needed to figure out what I liked and what I really wanted to look at every day. So first thing I want to do is kind of talk about the value and benefits of having a vision board. I started manifesting a few months back and just started reading up on it, listening to podcasts. I do believe in God, so I try to take the manifestation and link that to my religion and my spirituality, and that's kind of how I manifest, because since I believe in God, I believe that there is a plan, and there already is a plan set out for me, but I'm just trying to get closer to really what I love and what I believe I'm capable of. So having a vision board in your room and giving yourself affirmation can really transform your life, because once you start believing, you start seeing, and I can vouch for this. This has happened to me multiple times. I kind of touched on it in a past vlog where I got an internship because I manifested it, and manifesting is visualizing and telling yourself that you're already there. Not wishing or wanting, but believing and telling yourself, I am making money, not I want to make money, or I really want that dream job. Instead saying, I will get that dream job and it will come easily to me. It's things like that, and I don't really want to dive entirely into how I manifest, but that's a little bit background so you can understand my vision board and where I got my inspiration. But definitely let me know if you guys want to see a video on how I started to manifest, what I looked into, what were my resources, and how I kind of practice my everyday life. So we all want to just dive in, I'm assuming, to the vision board itself. And first I'm going to be talking about how I picked out all of my pictures. I'm obviously going to be showing you guys my vision board, and then we can talk about how to create one on your own. This is my vision board. I am so beyond proud of it. I am so excited to hang this up. And I'll also be talking about where the best spot is to hang up your vision board, because that is extremely important. First things first, I really wanted to focus on main aspects of my life that I'm currently working on. So I think the easiest way for me to talk about these is to just show you and point to which pictures and explain them. But how I found these pictures was I scrolled through Pinterest, and I also used the app Canva. I think that's how you pronounce it, Canva. It's Canva. I'll put a picture right here and you guys can look it up and definitely download it. I use this for a lot of my Instagram posts. I really wanted my vision board to have square photos, like Instagram sized photos, because I just like how that looks. So I used that app. I kind of edited a couple pictures through there. What's really great about it is you can just add your own text. You can add little snippets of anything that you want to include. You can edit basically anything, and it automatically makes it a square. This is not sponsored, but I use that app almost every time I post on Instagram, whenever I put quotes on my Instagram that I want to share with everybody, and that's how I started making my vision board. So basically what I did is I went on Pinterest, started researching what I wanted to include on my board, because I knew kind of pieces of what I wanted to put on my vision board and what I wanted to manifest this year. I went on Pinterest, grabbed those images, saved them to a document folder, went on a Walgreens website and ended up finding a way to print 4x4 pictures. They automatically crop them for you, and also ended up getting 50% off my order somehow because there was a coupon code popping up on the screen. So I only paid about $2 for all of these photos. So let's go through all of my photos on my vision board. The first photo that I have on my vision board says, trust the process. This is something that I can relate to big time because a lot of the times I'm like, what am I doing? Is this what I'm supposed to be doing? I'm questioning my life. I'm questioning my career path, my education. I'm just like, what is this? And having this quote on my vision board, I feel like will just make me feel better in a way, because trust the process can mean a lot of things in relation to fitness and your overall life. So I really like this. Next one says, soar today, strong tomorrow. It's just another little motivation key because I really want to build up my muscle and strength this year. That is one of my all-time goals, and I know that I'll be able to do it. The next thing on my board is a girl reading a book, because I have not read an entire book in about 2 years. I'm trying to get through a book right now, and part of me is like, I don't have the time, but realistically, I have the time, and I would love to get more educated and start reading more instead of watching TV and just sitting down in bed and reading a book. Next is something that it could happen. It could happen this year. That is a picture of a Tesla SUV. I wanted a black one on there, but I found a white one because it worked better in the picture. And ultimately, this is something that might not happen this year. I'm not counting on it happen, but it's just something to get me going and know that I'm working towards something, and I'm working towards something big to be able to get a Tesla one day. And the middle one here is a picture of money, because who doesn't want those dollar bills? We all want to make money, and I've been manifesting money into my life, and I would love to do a video on how money is not the enemy, and people think that money is the enemy, but in reality, money truly does change lives and can change your life. So manifesting money is a big part of my manifestation. And next is a little graduation cap, and it says, congratulations, Smarty Pants, because I will be graduating this year with my bachelor's degree, and there is a slim chance that I might go for my master's in September, and that's crazy that that's this year, but it's on there just to keep me motivated and excited about the future, and of course, always working towards my education. Next is a quote that I actually posted on my Instagram. These are the type of quotes I post on my Instagram. If you guys want to see more of that, follow me. It says, if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working for it. That is my favorite quote. That is the quote that went on my whiteboard when I first started manifesting, and it kind of changed my life because 4 months into manifesting, and here we are. Hello?
Hi, honey.
Hey, I'm filming a video.
I don't care.
But I really want to film it. I want to get it done.
Well, I just want to let you know I love you. I love you.
Alright, I love you. Center of my vision board just says 2020 because obviously it's 2020, and 2020 is gonna be a big year for all of us. I know that, and I just had to put that on there because I want to try to make one every year and save them. Next picture is a picture of the California sunset. That is a bunch of palm trees. I plan on moving to California within the next couple years. So I'm just manifesting that is the path that I should be going on. It might be somewhere else, but I would love to be somewhere where there's palm trees, so that's why those are on there. The next thing on here is a picture of a cross, and it says strength in cursive going down it. I am really trying to focus on my spiritual growth and getting closer to God. I've always been a Christ follower, and I feel like this year I really want to push myself to not just go to church on Sundays, but be reading and following his word every day. It's something that I haven't always been comfortable talking about because I know that there is some people that will judge or say mean things right away, but I think that is going to be part of my life forever. I know that that's going to be part of my life forever, and I want to incorporate that in my business someday, so that's why that's on there. Next is a picture of a computer. This is something that I've kind of been wanting for a while. I've wanted a Mac desktop for a couple of years now, and if that's in my path, I'm gonna manifest that, but not only manifesting the thing and having that be a desktop computer, but I really would like to get more computer savvy because the path that I'm currently on is going into digital marketing, and if you guys want to hear more about that, let me know. But obviously going into digital marketing, I need to know a lot about computers. I am pretty computer savvy at the moment, but I would love to learn more, and that is on my path for 2020. Next picture is my YouTube symbol, my name, and it says 10,000 subscribers. Right now, I am on the closer side of 5,000 subscribers, but I am aiming high. I am committing to YouTube, and I'm hoping to see my channel grow. And if you want to be part of that change, please click that subscribe button down below. It would help so much, and it would mean so much to me. If you're wondering how I made that little box and edited the 10,000 subscribers, it was super easy. I just used the Canva app and basically edited the picture. It took literally less than a minute. So say there's anything you want to grow, your Twitter following, your Instagram following, your Facebook following, YouTube. That's how you can edit something quickly and then put it on your vision board. The next thing that I have on my vision board is a picture of the Adobe softwares. I really would love to get savvy with these softwares. I've had them on my computer for months. I pay that $20 a month to keep them on there, and I need to start taking advantage of them and start really learning, because I know the basics of most of them, but I feel like it's so important, especially going into web design, digital marketing. I need to know that stuff, so it's on there. It's also a little motivator and a little key for me to sit down for at least 2 hours a week, and I know that is not a lot of time, but telling myself and looking at that and saying, okay, that is on the plan, we're doing it, that is your vision. My next thing on my vision board is my boyfriend Patrick. He made it to the board. I don't know if this is cheesy or not, but I was trying to find a picture of like hand holding or some love type of dealio, but I couldn't find anything I liked, so I'm like, you know what? Instead of making it general and keeping love in my life, I'm hoping I keep him in my life. So that's why he made the board. And lastly, I kind of just like to keep the color scheme up, the pink kind of showing up, and I put a picture of a hand holding a dumbbell because, again, want to gain that strength, and that's a big focus point for me this year. So as I told you, I got all of those pictures from Walgreens. I bought a poster board and just cut it in the size after I taped them on there. And then I bought a 14 by 20 frame from Michaels, which is just a craft store. It fit into this. There is some space obviously on the side because it's not a perfect cutout, but I love it, and I'm so excited to have this in my room. Speaking of my room, I think it's so important to touch on this because where you put your vision board matters so much. I was thinking about putting my vision board on the other side of my bedroom because I have a massive blank wall, but I'm like, am I really gonna go over there and look at it? No. So I found this perfect spot right next to my desk. So when I'm on my computer, I can literally gaze my eye over to the right and see my vision board. I've had my board done for like 3 days and it's just been kind of sitting on my counter. I haven't hung it up yet, and it just makes me so happy and so excited to look at. I'm telling you guys, when you make something like this, it really can change your life. If you start focusing on those things, manifesting those things, even if you're not manifesting per se, having a vision board, having a dream board can get you excited about life and make you feel more positive every day. So yes, even if you're not a Christ follower, or yes, if you're not a manifestation person, this can still work for you. Grab a couple things that make you excited, grab a couple things that you want to change in your life, that you want to attract in your life, post them on a little board, keep it near you, and look at that every day and let me know if your life changes. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that button down there, it means a lot. Also, if you're interested, follow my Instagram, that is @simplytaylorb. As I mentioned, I do talk a lot about manifesting, and I do post quotes on there that speak to me, and I love to share them with all of you. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.